Alright fellas, real talk. You're not broken. But if anxiety is turning your brain into a stress ball and your bedroom performance into a mystery novel, you're not alone. Here's the truth. Stress and anxiety mess with your brain and your blood flow. No blood flow equals no go time. Simple biology. When you're anxious, your body pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much of it tanks your testosterone, messes with sleep, and yep, affects erections. First things first, we gotta get that anxiety under control. And no, I ain't talking about popping pills. I'm talking about the most basic primal thing, breathing. You know how when a deer's in the headlights it freezes up? That's your sympathetic nervous system kicking into fight or flight mode. Problem is, most of us are stuck in that state all the time. Emails, traffic, deadlines, that weird text from your ex. It's enough to make anyone want to crawl under a rock. That's where breathwork comes in. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. 10 minutes of deep, conscious breathing can lower your cortisol levels, slow your heart rate, and bring you back to the present moment. Think of it like meditation on steroids, and the best part? You can do it anywhere, anytime. In the shower, on your lunch break, even on the toilet, no judgment. It might sound cheesy, but trust me, this stuff works. It's like yoga for your brain. Now, I'm all for natural solutions, and when it comes to anxiety, Mother Nature has our backs. We're talking about adaptogens, baby. These herbs have been used for centuries to help the body deal with stress, and they are powerful allies in the fight against performance anxiety. One of my favorites is ashwagandha. This bad boy is like a warm hug for your nervous system. It helps lower cortisol, that nasty stress hormone that's tanking your testosterone. Plus, it can even give your T levels a natural boost. Then there's rhodiola, another powerhouse adaptogen. This one's a beast when it comes to mental clarity and focus. It helps your brain handle stress like a champ, so you can stay sharp and perform your best both in and out of the bedroom. The cool thing about adaptogens is that they work with your body, not against it. They're not a quick fix, but they can make a real difference in how you feel over time. Chapter 3. Mineral Magic. Let's talk about some essential minerals that are crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Magnesium and zinc. These bad boys are like the dynamic duo for tackling stress and boosting testosterone. Magnesium, man, it's like a chill pill for your entire system. It relaxes your muscles, calms your mind, and even helps you sleep like a baby. And when you're stressed out, your body burns through magnesium like a gas-guzzling monster truck. So, you gotta make sure you're getting enough. Now, zinc, on the other hand, is a testosterone powerhouse. It's essential for healthy sperm production and helps keep your libido firing on all cylinders. And just like with magnesium, stress can deplete your zinc levels, leaving you feeling drained and, well, less than your best. You can find both of these minerals in foods like pumpkin seeds, spinach, and dark chocolate. Yeah, you heard me right, chocolate. But if you're serious about optimizing your levels, a good quality supplement can be a game changer. Chapter 4. Let the sunshine in. Alright guys, this next one might seem too simple to be true, but trust me on this. Get your ass outside and soak up some sun. Sunlight, especially in the morning, is like a magic elixir for your brain and body. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which controls your sleep-wake cycle, hormone production, and a whole lot more. And when your circadian rhythm is in sync, everything just works better. Sunlight also triggers your brain to release serotonin, the feel-good hormone, and dopamine, the motivation and reward hormone. These neurochemicals are crucial for a positive mood, focus, and even libido. So, make it a habit to get at least 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight first thing in the morning. Go for a walk, have your coffee outside, or just sit on your porch and soak it in. Your brain and your balls will thank you. Chapter 5. Motion creates emotion. Look, I get it. Sometimes the last thing you want to do when you're stressed is exercise. But trust me, moving your body is one of the most powerful things you can do to combat anxiety and improve your performance in all areas of life. Exercise is like a natural antidepressant. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that elevate your mood and reduce stress. Plus, it helps regulate your cortisol levels, keeping that stress hormone in check. And let's not forget the testosterone-boosting benefits of a good workout. Lifting weights, sprinting, even just going for a brisk walk, can all increase testosterone production, which is crucial for libido, energy levels, and overall well-being. You don't have to become a gym rat overnight. Start with something you enjoy, whether it's hiking, swimming, dancing, or just taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Every little bit counts. Let's unlock your potential. Fixing ED naturally isn't just about what's down there, it's about what's up here. Fix the stress, the rest often follows. We've got to look at the whole picture, man. It's about your mind, your body, and the choices you make every day. If this hit home, drop a like or a comment, it will help my channel. And if you've got questions or want more tips, this channel's for you. Subscribe and let's rebuild your health from the inside out. We're in this together, fellas. Let's do this.